everyone! Are you ready to discover how incredible you are? I'm your science guide, and today we're exploring the super-powered machine you live in. Did you know your heart beats 100,000 times every single day? That's more beats than there are seconds in a whole day. That's just the start. We've gathered the top 10 most mind-blowing facts about your body. Let's count them down. Number 1. Your heart is a super strong muscle that never, ever takes a break. Think of it like a super-powered pump. It's always working to keep you going even when you're fast asleep. In just one day, your heart creates enough energy to drive a big truck for 20 miles. Vroom, vroom! Want to see how big your heart is? Just make a fist. That's about the size of the muscle inside your chest. It pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood every day, enough to fill a whole swimming pool over time. That lub-dub sound you hear is the sound of your heart valves opening and closing like tiny doors. When you run and play, your heart beats even faster to give your muscles the oxygen they need to move. Number 2. Did you know your bones are actually stronger than steel? Can you believe it? Even though bones feel light, they are super tough. They protect your soft insides and help you stand tall. Without your 206 bones, you'd be as floppy as a piece of cooked spaghetti. No jumping for you. Ounce for ounce, bone can actually support 4 times more weight than concrete can. That's some serious strength. Bones aren't just dry sticks. They're alive. They're constantly growing and repairing themselves when you get a boo-boo. The smallest bone in your whole body is inside your ear. It's as tiny as a single grain of rice. To keep these steel-strong bones healthy, make sure to eat lots of calcium-rich foods like milk and cheese. Number 3. Your brain is like a supercomputer with 100 billion neurons. Those neurons send messages faster than a racing car, up to 250 miles per hour. It's the most complex thing in the known universe, and it's responsible for every single thought you have. From wiggling your toes to solving math problems, your brain is the boss of your whole body. Even when you're sleeping, your brain is busy filing away everything you learned during the day into your memory. The more you learn and practice new things, the stronger the connections between those neurons become. So keep reading, playing puzzles, and asking questions. Your supercomputer brain loves the exercise. Number 4. Your stomach acid is so strong it could actually dissolve metal. Seriously! It's called hydrochloric acid, and it's super tough so it can break down all the yummy food you eat. Your stomach has a special thick lining to protect itself. Without it, the acid would eat the stomach itself. This acid turns your lunch into a liquid soup so your body can soak up all the nutrients and vitamins. Ever wonder why your stomach growls? That's just the acid and gas moving around when you're hungry. It takes about 2 to 4 hours for your stomach to do its job before sending the food to the next stop. By eating healthy foods, you're giving your stomach acid the best stuff to work with for a happy tummy. Number 5. You have over 600 muscles in your body. That is a lot of power. You use muscles for everything, from running a race to just winking your eye or even smiling at a friend. The hardest working muscles are actually in your eyes. They move about 100,000 times a day. It only takes 17 muscles to smile, but 43 to frown, so smiling is actually easier. When you're cold, your muscles twitch really fast. That's shivering. It's your body's way of making heat. Your tongue is also a muscle. It's one of the strongest muscles for its size, helping you talk and taste. To keep your muscles strong, keep moving and eating protein like beans, eggs, and nuts. Go muscles! Number 6. Your skin is actually your body's largest organ. It covers you from head to toe. It's like a waterproof suit that protects you from germs, keeps you warm, and helps you feel the world. Your skin is always growing. You get a whole new set of skin about every 30 days. That's 12 times a year. When you get a scratch, your skin works like a super fast repair team to knit itself back together. Your skin also has millions of tiny sweat glands. They release water to help cool you down when you get too hot. The skin on your fingertips has unique patterns called fingerprints. No 2 people in the world have the same ones. Take care of your skin by washing it with soap and wearing sunscreen when you're playing outside in the sun. Number 7. Your lungs contain 300 million tiny air sacs called alveoli. That's huge! These tiny sacs are where the magic happens. They help get fresh oxygen into your blood so you can stay active. If you spread out all those tiny air sacs, they would cover an entire tennis court. All that fits in your chest. You breathe about 20,000 times every single day. Most of the time, you don't even have to think about it. There's a special muscle under your lungs called the diaphragm. It moves up and down to help pull air in and push it out. Sometimes your diaphragm gets irritated and moves suddenly. That's what gives you the hiccups. Hic! Deep breathing helps your body relax and gives your brain all the oxygen it needs to stay focused and happy. Number 8. Your blood vessels are 60,000 miles long. That is a super long distance. That's long enough to wrap around the entire Earth more than 2 whole times, all inside you right now. They act like a giant highway system, delivering food and oxygen to every single one of your trillions of cells. Arteries carry fresh oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, while veins bring it back to get more oxygen. Your blood also has white blood cells. They're like little soldiers that fight off germs and keep you from getting sick. When you get a cut, tiny things called platelets rush to the spot to stop the bleeding and form a scab. To keep your blood flowing easily through all those miles of vessels, make sure to drink plenty of water. Number 9. Your amazing eyes can distinguish between 10 million different colors. Wow! Your eyes and brain work together to see all the beautiful shades of the rainbow and everything in between. Your eyes are like super-powered cameras that take pictures and send them to your brain in a split second. You blink about 15 times every minute. Blinking keeps your eyes clean and moist so you can see clearly. Inside your eyes are special cells called rods and cones. Cones help you see colors, while rods help you see in the dark. Did you know your eyes stay the same size from the day you're born? But your nose and ears never stop growing. Take care of your eyes by eating carrots for vitamin A and wearing sunglasses on super bright days. Number 10. This one is really bananas. Humans share 60% of our DNA with bananas. DNA is like a giant recipe book for living things. It tells your body how to grow and what to look like. Sharing DNA with a banana sounds funny, but it just shows how all life on Earth is connected in a special way. Your full DNA code is like a library with 3 billion letters. It's what makes you uniquely you. Identical twins are the only people who share 100% of the same DNA. Everyone else is one of a kind. If you stretched out all the DNA in just one of your cells, it would be 2 meters long. That's taller than most adults. Even with some banana recipes, your special DNA makes sure you're the only person exactly like you in the whole world. The human body is truly a scientific wonder. Which of these 10 facts was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Remember to take care of your amazing machine by eating well, sleeping enough, and staying active every day. Keep exploring and asking questions, young scientists. There's so much more to learn about the world and ourselves. Subscribe for more amazing science facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!